Hi, my name's Tance Brenwater, and you're watching Adventures of Cooking with Tance Brenwater.
Before we get started, we're going to grab a few essential things that we'll need for creating this cuisine. Keep in mind, everything you'll see me shop for here today is essential for what we are making. Make sure to take note of the brands and the styles of food that I'm picking up here today. And as always, make sure you have a great time grabbing all the essential things, as cooking is a lovely, lovely habit.
All cooking adventures should start with a cutting board. Now you can get cutting boards in many different shapes and sizes, but I suggest that you buy mine. Tance's Endel Wild Cutting Board, available on our website for $666.99. And our website URL is www.tancecooks4u and the kids and the younger kids 3_4.co.uk. And once you have a nice cutting board, mine, you gotta get yourself some pickles. Now pickles come in many different shapes and sizes too, but I suggest you buy mine. Tance's Pickless. These things are $633, and I know what you're thinking, that's a lot of money, but think about what you're getting. 7 or 8 pickles in a jar from Tance himself. I curate these, I pick these from the forest myself. Thank you so much. Now that you got your Tance's Pickless, now that you got your Tance's cutting board, now all you need left is a knife. And I can recommend you Tance's Slippin' Boys, the knives that never stop cutting. And now that you have all these materials, let's get started. So you're gonna grab some of my Tance's Pickless. When are you guys loosen this? I f***ing hate pickles so f***ing much. These things are f***ing disgusting. We're just gonna get right into it. Grab one of these hot and spicy boys. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna really finely dice them. And now you have 200 or 300 pickles finely diced. And what we're gonna do, this is the base of our recipe. So we're gonna need every single one of these.
Hey Tance, what is that? Mention what that ingredient is.
Really? My own f***ing show? You're gonna sit here and f***ing do that? Really? Really? You're gonna make a f***ing fool out of me on my own goddamn show? Go f***ing good, bro. Yeah. No, that's great. I want you to make a fool out of me on my own f***ing cooking show. What are you doing? Pretty good boy. Alright, we about ready? Wow! Well done! So what we're gonna do is we're just combining all the pieces that we have, and we're just gonna put them all in the bowl. This is about the comparison of all the 3 subjects, and you're just gonna get mixing. And you're gonna mix till you can't mix anymore. You wanna have a nice puree going, and look at that. That looks really good, doesn't it? And now you're looking at all the table right now. You're looking at everything on the table right now and you're thinking, what's the last ingredient? And I'm telling, let's all say it with me. Milk! You're supposed to fucking say it with me. Anyways, you're gonna grab your milk and you're gonna just be kind with it. I mean, you can never have too much milk. And we got this from the Filipinos, and they make a whole lot of milk. And it's real good, and you're gonna mix it in just like we've been doing. Ooh, that's cold. And now we have a really good, come in here, cameraman. And now we have a really good, come on buddy, come on in here. We have a really good looking mix. And what all we gotta do now is we just gotta mix it together. Mix it together. Ooh-wee, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? That looks pretty good.
Are you ready for your next scene?
Hey, what's up, guys? Let's go. Let's get ready. Let's just go. We're ready to do it. Let's go. Put the fucking camera away. Let's go. Let's keep going. Okay. Now we're back to presentation. Let's put the fucking thing on the plate, don't we? Yeah! Let's get a plate out. Woo, that looks pretty nice, doesn't it? We're gonna throw, and when you think about your presentation, you wanna think about what does a person really wanna look at when they're eating food. And I mean, I don't wanna toot my own horn here or anything, but I mean, that looks pretty good. And now you're gonna garnish it with just a little bit of it, you know, just a little bit, and then toss in the final touch, but you're not done yet. What you're missing is ground seasoning. And what you're gonna do now is you're just gonna hit it with a light peppering, just a little bit on that taste of that, a little taste on the tongue, you know what I'm saying? And would you look at that? That's hot, that's spicy, it's piping, and it's ready to go. Let's get it on over to our directors. You like it?
Oh.
You like it?
Oh.
That's what I like to see. 2 happy customers at the hands of Tance Brenwater.
Oh. Oh.
I don't think they f***ing liked it. And no Tance Brenwater ever gets f***ing made a fool of.
Man, I guess Tance is just having a rough day, man. I don't know. Guess every silver lining is a cloud, I guess.
Dwight! Dwight! Where are you, buddy? Oh, look who it is! How you doing, Dwight? Kinda had it up your bullshit today.
Whoa.
Hey, whoa, you're here too? Oh, you filming this one? You filming this one? Oh, yeah.
No.
Yeah. What, are you gonna make a f***ing big deal out of it? What are you gonna make a Dwight, buddy! You didn't like the meal that much, did you, buddy? Dwight, why don't you come over here?
Hey there! Thank you for watching Adventures of Cooking with Tance Brenwater. I hope you all have a wonderful day.